Michael Salazar?
Yes po. Ito ba si Mr. Eaton?
Yes, speaking po, sir. Confirm po. Sir, I'd like to give you the good news. Kayo po ang nanalo ng ating Honor 400 5G Win a Rolex promo. Rolex GT Master 2 Green Arrow.
Wow! So,
So,
ano yan? Yung joke yan, eh?
hindi po, sir. Legit po. We have your actual photo naman po ng nag-pre-order kayo. As I can see here, yung nag-pre-order kayo, kulay pula ang suot nyo. Tama po, sir?
Tama.
So, sir, of course, nag-pre-order kayo sa SM East Ortigas in our concept store. So, thank you so much for that one. We'll be in touch po for the details. The awarding will be, will be done in Gen 3 timepieces with paring hive po.
Alright. Uy, maraming salamat, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, that's it. We've able to call our winners, both for the Hermes Mimilindi and the Rolex GT Master 2 or the Green Arrow. So, congratulations to both of our winners. This has been the Honor 400 5G Win a Rolex or Hermes pre-order raffle promo.
Honor 400, your AI phone.
Get yours now.
Honor